All right, and we are all set here for this big final of the Chanakya Premier League. Gladiators up against the Warriors. Gladiators batting first and straight away first run on the board. Nicely played through the offside. And this time behind square and a misfield. It will go away for a 4. First boundary of this final for the Gladiators. What a start. Well, the excitement has just kicked in here. पांच रन बन चुके हैं 2 गेंदों में. बहुत ही अच्छी शुरुआत ये संदीप अपने पहले ही गेंद पे चौका मारते हुए. वेल, प्रज्ञेश मैन ऑफ द मैच रहे दोनों गेमों में. क्या तीसरे लगातार मैच में भी अपना वही फॉर्म कंटिन्यू कर पाएंगे? वेल, वंस अगेन प्लेड बिहाइंड स्क्वायर. This time the fielder is pushed back and a couple of more runs taken, is it? Well, yes, now they get it. Overthrows. Well, once again, brilliant rolling between the wickets. And the score is moving in the northwards direction. So 9 on the board. Once again, 2 more leg byes. Well, it has been a cracking day so far. We were 12 and now we are down to just 2. And in 45 minutes or so, we will have only one winner out here. Well, this time a wide delivery. Pradnesh feeling the pressure of the final. दबाव बना के रखा है यहाँ पे बैटर्स ने. Well, this time driven straight to the fielder at the cover region. Only a एक और गेंद बाकी है पहले ओवर में. Well, both these sides have been outstanding throughout. Well, that's another wide delivery. And gone through the wicketkeeper this time. So another extra run. Well, once again wanting to hustle, trying to apply some pressure on the fielders. And Pradnesh will have to reload that delivery. And that's another wide delivery by Pradnesh. Third one of the over. Well, he needs to calm his nerves first. Well, we might also see some tired legs. It has been a long day for the players, and this time behind square. Has that gone the distance? It's gone through the fielder, and it will go away for a 4. Big over right at the top of the innings for the Gladiators. 18 without a wicket now at the end of the first over. Well, we continue in the second over. Omkar is bowling it. Omkar, the man who hit those 6 sixes in 1 over earlier today. And once again, playing fielder is present there, so just a couple of runs. So not quite able to put those boundaries in this over. Well, Omkar wanting to make sure that his field is set perfectly. And once again playing it along the carpet, straight to the fielder. And this time he's gone for the big one. It won't quite find the fence and a catch dropped. Well, that could be a big blow for the Warriors. Well, not quite able to get those boundaries in this over. And they have enjoyed that one, the Gladiators. Once again playing that one behind square on that leg side. But there is protection out there. So a couple of more runs. One more delivery left in the second over. And once again pushed on the offside. Just a single. So that is the end of the second over. with the score at 26 without a wicket for the Gladiators. 2 ओवर की समाप्ति पे 26 रन बिना के लिए. So we continue now in this third over. It's going to be the captain, Sachin Kambli, to bowl this over. Well, they need a tight one here. Once again, just pushed on the offside. This is the middle over of this innings. And he's gone for the big one. He's connected that one sweetly. It will go all the way. Once again through that leg side. Brilliant bit of batting by the two. And he's gone for it again. And it will go away for a 4-wicket. Well, not quite so superbly done there by the fielder. Brilliant piece of fielding. He did really well to judge that one. And a couple of runs taken. So at the halfway stage of this innings, 35 without a wicket. Projected score of 70. Once again in the air, it's not quite found the distance. Once again lands safely. And 2 more runs to the total. Once again played down the ground for a single. Well, good backing up. 3 fielders getting across. They know how important it is to try and defend these runs. One more delivery left in this third over. And once again just pushed on the offside. Good bit of fielding. That is the end of the third over now with the score at 39 without a wicket. 29 बिना कोई नुकसान, 39 बिना कोई नुकसान, 3 ओवर की समाप्ति पे. Well, it's a brilliant delivery. And he's got him. That's the first breakthrough. It's hit the top of off. And finally a wicket for the Warriors. 39 for 1 now, the Gladiators. Still 11 more deliveries left in the innings. And this time behind square on the offside, thick outside edge. And 4 more runs to the total. Fortuitous on that occasion. Well, it does not matter how do they come. किसी भी तरह से आए पर runs आए. अभी भी 10 गेंदें बाकी ये इनिंग्स में. और काफी अच्छा टोटल बन चुका है ऑलरेडी. 43 for 1. कितने और यहां से बना पाएंगे? 30 रन शायद मारने की कोशिश करेंगे कम से कम. Well, this time hit hard through the offside and a single taken. Well, the Warriors will not mind that as long as it is not going away to the boundary. Well, once again a big swing towards that leg side. It's gone through. And a single is what they get. So good bowling by Pradnesh. Well, once again, beautifully bowled. Just a bye. And now one more delivery left in this 4th over. 46 रन, 1 विकेट नुकसान पे. Played on the leg side and a catch dropped once again. एक और मौका था और एक और जीवनदान रोहन के लिए. तो अब 4 ओवर की समाप्ति पे 48 रन 1 विकेट के नुकसान पर. 48 for 1 at the end of the 4th over, heading into the last over of the innings. So last over of the innings, Sandeep is going to continue. 48 for 1. Shot and smacked away, all the way. That will bring up the 50 for the Gladiators. 50 रन पूरे. 54 for 1. अभी भी 5 गेंदें बाकी है इनिंग्स में. And once again through the leg side, straight to the fielder. Slight fumble, coming back for the second. Well, that's a close call. And the umpire has given that as out. So the second one gone. A run out. And it is 55 for 2 now. तो अब डैनियल आया बल्लेबाजी करने और हमारे साथ कमेंट्री बॉक्स में हनीफ मौजूद है, बोल रहे कि डैनियल सबसे कीमती प्लेयर है उनके टीम के। वेल डॉट डिलीवरी, well once again not the best of the deliveries. It's been played high in the air and once again it lands safely. Happy to take a couple of more runs. And now 2 more deliveries left. And once again through the offside and good bit of fielding out there. Excellent. Well, this has been a superb over by Sandeep. Apart from that 6, so the last delivery of this innings remaining, and it's going to be the captain Daniel on strike. And Daniel has smashed that one all the way. Or has he? Well, not quite, so it's taken by the fielder. A wicket of the last delivery. And the Gladiators finish their innings at 58 for 3. 59 will be the target for the Warriors. Well, 59 should be a tricky total. Only time will tell who will be lifting the Chanakya Premier League 2026.
थोड़ा चेयर वो साइड ले लो ना, बस थोड़ा, बस नहीं आप Gladiators have put up a score of 58 and the target is 59 for Warriors. But Warriors have a lot of star batsmen in their ranks. Omkar, Pradnesh, Pradnesh has bowled well throughout the day and Sachin Kamli, the captain, has led from the front. He has always kept the spirits high in the team. Will Pradnesh come to open like he always does? Score of 59 under pressure in the finals can be enough, may or may not be enough. But the bowlers of Gladiators should be worried with the batting prowess that Warriors possess. Intense discussion going in the Warriors camp, and I think the discussion is around who is going to open. Just some pep talk from the captain. I'll be interested to see what is the approach of Warriors batsmen. The Gladiators players walk onto the field. Good score on the board. And they must back themselves to defend the score. Lot of friendships on both the teams. So Pradnesh and Nilesh are the two Warriors batsmen who are going to open the innings for Warriors. Pradnesh has had a brilliant day with the bat, with the ball. Can he be the hero for Warriors one last time in the finals? Nilesh, who always takes the non-strike, will they keep the pattern going? Lot of chit chatter in the Warriors camp. But the captain is smiling. I think he is confident in himself and his team players. Oh, he is also saying that he lifted the cup last time. So he's backing himself this time too. Last innings of the day, the finals, Gladiators bowling. Let's play. Good shot, but even better fielding. Stop the ball from going to the boundary. I think the ball was always going to fall short and the fielder did pretty well stopping the boundary. Good bowling from Shubham. Straight delivery, but desire to go to the leg side means the batsman misses the delivery altogether. Good bowling, bowling on the legs, not giving any room to Nilesh free his arms. Neutral fans are making a lot of noise. I am not getting which side they are supporting. They are shouting Shubham. Dot ball, important dot ball. I think Shubham is getting all the energy and confidence from the crowd. But Warriors are champion players. Wide, outside the off stump. No doubt about that. Good start to the bowling innings from Shubham. Batsman will look to end it on high note. Digs it out. Good Yorker. Single to long on. Good over to begin the innings. Last ball of the first over. Batsman will want to make it count. Big swing, big miss. Excellent over to start the innings. Just 3 runs from the first over. And Gladiator players are running to Shubham to give him a high five for a brilliant first over. But I think Warriors players will be backing themselves. They have made it to the finals on sheer capabilities. Karan to bowl the second over. No ball, and it has been put away for a 4. No ball, boundary. Worst start to the second over. Free hit coming up. So all the good work done in the first over has been undone on the first ball itself. Dead ball. Bowler under pressure straight away. Batsman with energy. Wide. But the thought process is right. He is trying to create the angle from around the stumps to try and bowl outside the off stump. Free hit continues. Shubham Are. Karan yet to bowl the first legal delivery. Play and a miss. Free hit goes in vain. Good comeback from Karan. Comes down the track, tries to create power on the shot, but misses altogether. Fine placement this is, but just a single to short third man. Pradnesh on strike. Big player for Warriors. On strike. Top edge. It has gone very high in the air. Taken on the second attempt. Keeper takes the all-important catch of Pradnesh, and no heroics from Pradnesh in the finals with the bat. Superb catch from the keeper under pressure. And another star player of Warrior comes to the middle. Omkar. The player who smashed up 50 today, 6 sixes in 1 over, has come to the middle to save Warriors. But Pradnesh should be proud. He has had a very good day today. His contribution to the team has been immense, and he should keep his chin up. Omkar, left-hander. Karan will have to take care of the angles. So Warriors are going at run a ball. They need to pick up their speed and push forward. Wide down the leg side. Easy pickings for Warriors. Good bowling. Tight line, tight length, and not giving any room to the batter. Last ball of the second over coming up. Big swing, but just a single. 2 overs done and dusted. 12 for 1. Still 47 needed from 18 balls. The Warriors camp is sitting very quietly. Their batsmen need their support. No noise from Warriors camp. The batsmen need their support. Shubham to bowl his second over and third over of the innings. Too many fans of Shubham in the crowd. Pressure on both the teams, and it is turning out to be an entertaining match. If the Warriors pick up their run scoring, then we are in for a thriller. Shubham to bowl round the wicket. Pushed straight down the ground, and it goes through the legs. Misfield, and Omkar will get a simple boundary. Pressure is telling on the fielders too. This could have been stopped and should have been stopped. We go again. Edge and taken. Keeper takes second catch of the match. Shubham takes important wicket of Omkar. Two star players of Warriors back in the hut. Darshan coming out to bat. But there should be claps for Omkar. Claps for Omkar. Applause for Omkar. He has entertained us throughout the day. New batsman to the crease, Darshan. Can he be the hero that Warriors need? Good shot for a single. Gladiator bowlers have kept things tight till now. When will the Warriors batsmen cut loose? Superb shot in the gap, but even a better throw. Good fielding effort from fielders on the leg side. Warriors camp is looking a bit underconfident. Two balls to go in the third over. Swing and a miss. This was a wild swing. Nowhere near the ball. Excellent bowling from Shubham. Last ball of Shubham's spell for today. Wide not given. 3 overs, 18 runs. 41 runs needed of 12 balls. Warriors are 2 behind in this chase. And Gladiator bowlers are piling the pressure on Warriors. They are inching closer to the trophy. Mehboob has come to bowl. Mehboob, who has taken a lot of wickets throughout the day, is going to bowl the 4th over of the innings. Warriors batsmen have to go in this over. Have to go big or go home. Good swing. And misfield, misjudgment, but it will not go for 4, just a couple of runs. As long as Warriors are not getting any boundaries, Gladiators should be happy. No ball. Umpire has called it a no ball. Free hit coming up. Can't be a better opportunity for Warriors now. Top edge. Free hit taken. But it was a free hit. Good bowling from Mehboob. And Warriors have struggled in their innings. They have found it very difficult to get going. Their innings have just not taken off. If this shot would have been connected, then it could have gone out of the ground. 9 balls, 37 needed. Just a single. After all this effort, just a single. And Warriors are moving at run a ball. Too far behind in this match. Play and a miss. And the batsmen are missing crucial deliveries of the match. Looks like Captain Sachin's dream of winning the cup again is going to be a dream. Good shot, but there is a fielder on the boundary. Last over of the innings, Mehboob has done his job. "35 runs needed of 6 balls. All the balls have to go to the boundary. It's now or never. Is there still a miracle left? Magic or miracle? Warriors are hoping for any of it. Good shot, but just a single. Now 5 legal deliveries, just a formality. And Gladiators are 5 balls away from lifting the cup. Big shot. Dropped. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter now. Gladiators are anyways winning the cup. Unfortunate for captain of Warriors, but not to be for today. Just a formality. Last 3 balls of the innings. Pulled away. Boundary. Finally a boundary. Too late. Too late. The match is done and dusted. Tries to go big, but just a single. Last ball of the innings. And Gladiators, you are almost the winners. Gladiators win! Team Gladiators have put up a gladiator performance in the Chanakya Premier League. Superb performance. They have defeated the Fighting Warriors in the finals to go and lift the cup. It truly belongs to Gladiators. They have done everything on their part and they are deserving winners. Too many Gladiator fans in the stands and they are now onto the ground. Congratulations Gladiators and chin up Team Warriors. You put up a show. Gladiators, winners, champions, fighters, and the winners. Trophy lifters, the first in the Chanakya Premier League. Bus done.